Hi guys, today's Easter. So me and Grover are gonna go and do something fun together.
I'm so excited.
Grover, look, what's this? I think it's from the Easter Bunny.
Really?
Here, let me read the card. It says, Dear Shyla, Grover, and Teddy, I have hidden eggs with treats around your house. Whoever finds the most egg wins. I wish you the best of luck to all of you. Sincerely, the Easter Bunny.
Well, what are we waiting for? Let's go.
What about Shyla and Teddy?
Well, they will end up finding out somehow, right? Plus, I'll have such a big
Grover,
advantage.
that's cheating.
I don't care. I want to win. Egg number 1. I found another one. I need help.
Look, Grover, an egg.
Be quiet. I need to find the eggs.
Okay.
What are you doing? Let go of me.
Look at the egg.
They ask you how you are, you just have to say that you're fine when you're not really fine, but you just can't get into it because they would never understand.
I found an egg. Egg number 4. I'm laying eggs for the Easter Bunny. Okay, let's go count my eggs now.
I wonder what Shyla's doing.
We must see.
Oh, what's this?
It's from the Easter Bunny.
Oh my gosh, the Easter Bunny? Where? I want to eat it. Okay, so I just have to go and find the most Easter eggs. Let's go! Oh, Teddy, I gotta tell you, you gotta find Easter eggs. Grover got a head start, cheater.
That's okay. I'm getting a massage right now.
Oh, okay. I smell an egg. Found it! Wow, I'm finding eggs left, right, and center. I sniff egg. Where is the evidence? See what I did there? Egg! How many eggs did you get, Grover? I got 4 eggs. I bet you got less than me.
Well, I got 4 eggs too.
So, who's the winner then?
I don't know, but how many eggs did Teddy get?
Did somebody say Teddy? I think I will be taking this.
Why is it always Teddy?
I didn't expect anything less from him.